The meadow ecosystems of Kanha National Park support important blackbuck conservation efforts within the central India. Once affected by habitat loss and hunting pressure, this species now survives through scientific grassland management, including habitat restoration and maintenance of open grazing areas. Blackbucks, therefore, function as indicators of healthy meadow ecosystem within Kanha's predominantly forested landscape. This population, however, is a lineage of a conservation effort conducted back in 2011, where some of the black bucks were released from Seoni district of Madhya Pradesh. Within the Sal-dominated forests of Kanha, multiple herbivore species participate in a complex ecological association that enhances predator detection and foliage efficiency. Troops of Hanuman langurs occupy the upper canopy strata, where their elevated visual surveillance enables early detection of predators such as tigers and leopards. Beneath them, spotted deer and sambar frequently aggregate to exploit fallen fruits, foliage and flowers, dislodged during the arboreal feeding activity. This interspecific association demonstrates a functional combination of commensalism and mutualistic vigilance, where behavioral interactions substantially reduce predation risk while simultaneously improving resource acquisition across the trophic levels. The ecological interactions among sympatric herbivores further contribute to the niche partitioning and habitat utilization within the forest ecosystem. Spotted deer preferentially occupy open meadows and ecotonal grasslands, relying upon group cohesion and high reproductive turnover as adaptive anti-predator strategies, whereas sambar exhibit comparatively solitary behavior within the denser woodland habitats. Avifaunal associates including drongos, cattle egrets and miners capitalize upon insects disturbed by ungulate movement while contributing indirectly to collective vigilance through alarm vocalizations and sudden displacement behavior. Such interactions exemplify the ecological principle that community stability within the tropical forests is sustained through behavioral complementarity and resource sharing dynamics rather than isolated species existence. Water bodies constitute critical ecological regulations within the Kanha landscape, influencing species distribution, seasonal migration, reproductive activity, and trophic interactions across the multiple faunal guilds. Perennial ponds, marshes, and seasonal streams serve as focal points for nutrient exchange and biological congregation, particularly during periods of elevated thermal stress and declining surface of water availability. The adjacent water bodies simultaneously influences all the species regarding their movement patterns and predator-prey interactions. The conservation of these aquatic systems remains essential for maintaining ecosystem stability.